Hello guys, I've got a short and quick video for you guys today. Maddie, Brooke, Aileen and I had like a little girls night on the Monday night, so there was no drinking or anything because it was a weeknight, but I just thought I'd do like a little how-to on some nachos and the s'mores. Pretty much how-to girls night. You look like one of those old ladies.
Yeah, an old lady. Yeah.
Shopping for nachos and we're in the chocolate aisle. That's fine.
We want snacks.
Snacks. Snacks.
You want your snacks? That's what I was talking about.
This is new, guys. Pretty what?
Tried that? Basic. Apparently I haven't
Basic.
tried it.
This is disgusting. No offense.
I was just saying it, but like
No,
we don't
we'll have to try it, but like it just looks really gross.
Yeah, obligated party size.
Do we really need that big?
Maybe.
Yeah, actually maybe. Do you guys like add any veggies or anything to yours?
Veggies. 1 pack, 2 packs.
1 pack. We don't want to be eating too much.
We like my beans. Yeah, we do.
Beans first, you need to do your What are you doing? Over there. Ooh, that looks disgusting.
Oh, I want to sniff.
Are we sniffing?
No, I want to see.
You want to sniff?
You can sniff it if you want. It smells like diarrhea. So what?
Oh.
Yes, do you need oil?
I'd eat that.
Gordon Ramsay would be.
Oh, no! I thought I was gonna die.
Oh,
Should I use for like a spoon?
oh, that's a lot.
Ew, let's mix it.
Maybe like just use this because there's heaps.
Yes,
This is so tough.
Put that all in mine.
Note to
Whatever
self,
you want.
please don't be a chef in your next life because you will kill someone. I hit the Y with the I hit the one. Mum said she had tomato sauce in it.
Yeah. No. Wait. I saw someone add salsa to it.
Oh, y'all just want to eat it now.
No, not tomato
Oh, guys.
No, you can add tomato sauce to it. I've never done this before, but apparently this is a good thing to do.
I got 3 of them.
Oh my god,
so
that
we're all
looks
good.
dry as. Yeah, no, that's why I should add some moisture.
Can I have
This
a
looks
fork?
really gross, guys.
Fork to dip it in. What do I want to dip it in with?
What do I preheat it to?
Not bad, not bad.
Really? It's
Not
spicy?
bad. A little bit.
Really?
Yeah. Do you want to try it?
No.
Do you need this?
It's really unappealing to
No,
me.
try it. You need to do
I
it.
think it's just like sour cream. pretty
No,
much.
try it. It's different. Yeah. Ew. Thank you.
I'm so scared. No.
Things in your head though.
Don't like it. Okay.
Maybe do that to ours to make it look cool too.
I'm messing with Taxi now. Give me some Mo's, right?
We want you. Sorry, Jess.
Oh. We're gonna make a s'mores dip after we finish our dinner, but we finished playing that game really late and Maddie ate like a whole chocolate block already while we were playing the game, and I was like really full from the nachos and stuff, so we didn't end up making the s'mores dip, so I made it myself the next night. Obviously I made like a way smaller one than I would have if I was with the girls. I would recommend putting a lot more chocolate than I do in this next part and maybe like less marshmallows or something, but I really wanted to like cover the whole top when it melted. That's all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you